Good evening, everyone. Today I'll be taking the topic parabola. So, first of all, let's start with the definition of parabola. Uh, Parabola is defined as locus of a point, locus of a point which moves, locus of a point which moves, such that locus of a point which moves such that its distance from a fixed point which moves such that its distance from a fixed point is equal to is equal to its distance from a fixed line is equal to its distance from a fixed line. The fixed point the fixed point is called focus. The fixed point is called focus, and the fixed line is called directrix of the parabola. The fixed line is called directrix of the parabola. Okay, so basically parabola looks something like this. This is the fixed point S, which is the focus of the parabola, and this is the fixed line, which is the directrix of the parabola. So, and this point is called the vertex, and the line joining the vertex and the focus is called as axis of the parabola. So basically, we are trying to find the locus of this point P, x comma y. So it is moving in such a way that it is always at its distance from the point S, which is the focus, and its distance from the directrix. Both are equal. Okay, so PS is equal to PM. Now coordinates of focus are a comma 0, and the equation of directrix is x is equal to minus a. Okay, so basically we can find the equation of the parabola using this relation. PS is equal to PM. So if we take square on both the sides, PS square will be equal to PM square. Okay, PS square you can calculate using the distance formula. So this will become x minus a square plus y minus 0 whole square. X minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to PM square. Now the equation of the directrix is x is equal to minus a. So if you want to find this length PM, so we can just simply subtract the x coordinates. So x minus minus a, which means x plus a. So this will be x plus a whole square. Okay. So therefore we get the equation like this. Y minus 0 will be y square, and then x minus a square goes to the right hand side. So this can be written as x plus a whole square minus x minus a whole square, and which can be simplified as 4ax. So therefore we get the final equation of the parabola as y square equal to 4ax. Okay, so let's move forward in this. Let me erase this part. So now let's focus on the terms which are related to parabola. Terms related to terms related to parabola. Okay, so basically we have the standard form of parabola like this. This line is the axis. This is the vertex. This point is the focus, a comma 0. In the standard form, vertex is origin, so 0 comma 0. And this perpendicular line, this line which is perpendicular to the axis, this line is the directrix of the parabola. And equation of directrix is x is equal to minus a. Okay, so parabola looks somewhat like this. And in the standard form, we get the equation of parabola as y square equal to 4x. Okay, now let's talk about the term double ordinate. Double ordinate. So double ordinate is defined as the chord of the parabola which is perpendicular to the axis. Chord perpendicular chord perpendicular to the axis of parabola. Chord which is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola, like this. This chord is perpendicular. This chord is perpendicular. This chord is perpendicular. This chord is perpendicular. So all these chords, all the chords which are perpendicular to the axis of the parabola is called as double ordinate. Okay, so there are infinite double ordinates for any particular parabola. Now let's come to lattice rectum. So when we talk about lattice rectum is the double ordinate which passes through focus of the parabola. Double ordinate, double ordinate which passes through double ordinate which passes through focus of the parabola. Double ordinate which passes through focus of the parabola. So if we see here in this figure, we have to draw double ordinate, which means we have to draw a chord which has to be perpendicular to the axis, and that chord must pass through focus. So basically this chord AB. So this AB chord is the lattice rectum of the parabola. This chord AB is the lattice rectum of the parabola. Now, how do we find out the length of lattice rectum? So, see, this chord is passing through the focus and it is perpendicular to the axis. Therefore, it is parallel to the y-axis. And the coordinates of focus is a comma 0. Therefore, this for point A also x coordinate will be a. For point B also x coordinate will be a. If suppose this is k, this will be minus k. Okay. So now AB is the basically lattice rectum here. So let me just specify AB is the lattice rectum of the parabola. Now, if I want to find the length of the lattice rectum, I must know the value of k. So the coordinates of A are a comma k. Therefore, we can substitute these coordinates in the equation of the parabola. So we get k square is equal to 4a and the value of x is a. So 4a into a, therefore 4a square. Now k square is equal to 4a square, which means k is equal to 2a. Okay. So if k is equal to 2a, therefore this length is 2a and this length is also 2a. So basically the length of lattice rectum or LR is, this is k and this is k, so 2k, and when you substitute the value of k here, so 2 into 2a, so therefore this will become 4a. Okay, so thus we get the length of lattice rectum of the parabola as 4a, right? So this is how we found out. And then if you want to find the equation we can simply write equation will be x is equal to a, because LR is parallel to the y-axis is this line. The tangent at the vertex of the parabola is the y-axis, and this chord AB is parallel to the y-axis. Okay, and any line which is parallel to the y-axis, its equation is x is equal to constant. So equation of lattice rectum is x is equal to constant, and since it passes through focus whose coordinates are a comma 0, the equation of LR will be x is equal to a, right? So this is how we got the uh, equation of the LR. Now let's erase this part and let's continue ahead. Okay, so basically I told you about the standard form of the parabola, which is phi square equal 4x. Now there are some other standard forms also. So let's talk about them. Other standard forms. Okay, so one standard form of the parabola is like this, where the parabola faces towards the left. Vertex is origin. Okay, this line is the axis of the parabola. This line is the axis of the parabola. Focus now lies on the left hand side of the vertex. So this will be minus a comma 0. Okay. So now in this case, you can write the equation of the parabola as y square is equal to minus 4ax. Okay. Whenever we have a horizontal parabola, like the one which I taught you earlier, in this case, it was facing towards right. So that is why it was y square is equal to 4ax. Now the parabola which I have drawn now, this is facing towards left. So in this case also we have the equation y square equal to minus 4x. Both of these are horizontal form parabolas. Therefore we have we have the term y square and linear term in x. Okay. The other standard forms are the vertical ones, where the parabolas either face upwards or they face downwards. Okay. So in this case, when the parabola is facing upwards, okay, the equation of the parabola is x square is equal to 4ay. And in this case, when the parabola is facing downwards, the vertex is origin in all the parabolas. Now in this case, focus is below the vertex. So this will be 0 comma minus a. And now the equation of the parabola will be x square is equal to minus 4ay. Okay, so whenever the parabolas are vertical, which means either they are facing upwards or they are facing downwards, in those parabolas, the equation will have a term of x square and then a linear term in y. If it's facing upwards, then x square is equal to plus 4ay, and if it is facing downwards, then x square equal to minus 4ay. Okay. In this case, for a vertically facing upward facing parabola, vertex is origin, but in this case, focus will be 0 comma a, because now the focus is lying above the vertex. In this case, focus is lying below the vertex. Okay. So this is how this is uh, the information about the other standard forms. Okay. So now let's proceed to another part, which is the alternative. Sorry, not alternative. Now let's do some example. Okay, let's do some example. Uh, find the equation of a parabola. Find the equation of a parabola whose whose focus is 6 comma 0 and vertex is 0 comma 0. Okay. So in this case, we have to find the equation of the parabola whose focus is given as 6 comma 0 and vertex is 0 comma 0. So now let me just draw the figure. The parabola will be something like this. Vertex is origin 0 comma 0, therefore it is a standard parabola, right? Focus lies on the right side